In this video, I'll show you how to get affiliate links from Amazon. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And please do watch this video right until the end. And let's go and get straight into this. The first thing you need to do is go to a search engine. And then once you're on a search engine, you need to go and search something called Amazon Associates. Now what Amazon Associates is that it's Amazon's affiliate platform. So all you need to do is search for Amazon Associates just like so and go and search for it. Now, as you can see, I've got .co.uk at the top because I'm from the UK, but just go to your country's one, whether that be .com or .eu, it doesn't matter. Then once you're here, all you need to do is go to the top right. So at the moment, I've got the United Kingdom selected. And what this means is that I'm creating an Amazon Associates account for the United Kingdom. However, if you want to go and refer customers from the United States, I need to go and create an Amazon Associates account for the United States. And you can create multiple accounts. For example, at the moment, I've got an account with Amazon Associates UK and US, but next I want to go and create one for Amazon Australia. So there you go, guys, it's pretty simple. So for now, I'm going to go and select Australia, just like so. So go and essentially go and select the country of which you want to go and start creating an Amazon Associates account for. Then once you've done that, you need to go and click sign up. And when you go and click sign up, you then need to go and log into your Amazon account. So if you don't already have an Amazon account, go and click create one and you can go and create one. But it's pretty likely you already have one. So then all you need to do is go and sign into your account. And then you're going to be starting the process of creating your Amazon Associates account. So you need to go and enter some sort of account information. It's really easy. Just go and fill this out. One of the most important parts is adding your websites and mobile apps. As you can see here, you've got enter your websites and enter your mobile app URLs. So when it comes to websites, you can also use YouTube channels. For example, I added my channel here, but if you have a website, you can also add it there. But you do need some sort of social platform. So you can also add like Instagram, Twitter, literally any platform can be added here. So I'm going to add my channel here. I'm going to paste it in and then go and press add just like so. And then I'm going to go and press on next. And it's now loading. And then all you need to do is go and enter this information in here. And now we need to go and set up our profile. So the first thing it's asking us is what is our preferred associates ID. So if you don't know what the associates ID is, we can go and hover over these instructions. And as you can see, it says the preferred associates ID you provide will be used to automatically create your ID. For example, my website may become my website's -22. So there we go. So in this case, I'm just going to type in GuideRealm just like so, and it may add a number at the end. Then you can go and make sure websites are listed. You need to go and describe it. So I'm going to go and sort of describe about the tutorials. For this, you need to go and then describe the primary topic and secondary topics, and then the type of items you want to list. And then you need to go and select what your websites are. And then you need to go and just add a bit about the traffic and monetization. And there we go. And then we can finish it. So I'm going to quickly fill this in now. And then once you finish, it's going to go and say, congrats. Thank you for applying to the Amazon Associates program. It's going to give you your associate ID. Something important to note is that it does say if your affiliate links have not referred to sale after 180 days, your application and access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. So that's something important to know. But you can also go and enter your payment and tax information in now or later. For now, I'm going to click later. I want to go and show you what the platform looks like. So when you go and click on later, it's going to take you straight to the home and it's going to go and give you some information. I'm going to go and click get started. Now you've created your account, you can now go and generate Amazon affiliate links. So all you need to do is go to the Amazon region you want to go and create the links for. In this case, I want to do it for Australia. So I've got .com.au. Then you want to go and search what you want to go and link. So I'm going to go and say search for Xbox, just like so. And here we are. Let's go and find an Xbox. Let's just go and do these headphones. And then once you found the product, all you need to do is go to the top of Amazon to the site stripes toolbar. And then you can have this option here saying get link. And we've got an option for text. So go and press on text just like so. And as you can see, it says text link to this page. And then we can go and create this link. It's going to automatically be generated. It can either be for the short link or the full link, depending on what you want it to look like. The short link looks so much cleaner. And then all you need to do is go and highlight it just like so, right click and go and click copy, and then you can go and share that with your audience and go and create an income from it. Of course, do make sure it's clear that it is an Amazon affiliate link. Amazon do have strict rules regarding this, so make sure you sort of understand it. And then once you've promoted some products using your Amazon Associates account, you can come back to your earnings overview, and it's going to go and show you any clicks you've generated and also the commissions you're earning as well. And it's going to go and give you some summaries as well. And then of course, make sure you go and add your payment information so you can go and get paid. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.